Well, good morning, everyone. It is Friday, some day in the 60s. It's actually 63 degrees outside. The smoke isn't too bad. We're here to do a boat tour on Riverboat Discovery, which was recommended to us.
By lots of people.
By who?
Lots and lots of people.
Lots and lots of people, huh?
Yep.
All right. Anyway, so we're going to go and get a ride on the Riverboat Discovery, so come along with us and enjoy the ride.
Be inside.
Hi guys, welcome aboard. It will be time to relax. We did all the work, you guys get to do all the enjoyment.
That middle world?
The boat with
That way, okay. I've seen these red seats here.
Blue seats.
That's a 1951 Piper Super Cub, by the way, on floats there. And it looks like they've gotten the okay to go. So he will be taking off along the left side. By the way, you're free to move about while we're underway. Just be aware if you're standing at any point, you could be blocking someone's view of the monitor or out the window. So help each other out on that if you would. Steve is making his way toward us there. You barely see him on the screen. 150 horse Lycoming engine, and right on up into the air. It's easy enough once you get the thumbs up. One of those things that happens sometimes. Now Steve is going to do a slip turn to realign himself with the river. You can see him descend and turn quickly, just as he would on a little lake surrounded by tall trees, and then kind of feel his way back down to the surface, because he can't see the water right here. So this is all done by experience, and it makes it look real easy. And there is our friend, Steve Knatzer, right back here on the Chena. To our left, and we're not going to just float by. We're going to stay here for a while and turn this boat into a big 4-story grandstand. So I can introduce you to, I think, the ideal keeper of Susan's life and legacy. Let's meet her eldest daughter, Tekla, down there on shore.
Well, good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to Trailbreaker Dog-Powered Vehicle. They love to do it. It's fun, and it's fun to run behind them.
Yeah, it's a shame they're not eager to get going, of course. Look at all that energy just waiting in, but then as soon as she pulls the trigger, look, everybody gets real quiet. They start picking up speed, and Tekla is gone. But keep looking to the left, because you're going to see her again real quick. In between the two cabins and behind the dog pen out there. She's doing a U-turn. We'll come from our right to our left. Use the monitors if you need to. And you'll see the lead dog set the pace there. See, everybody else falling in behind. Okay, now she's going to disappear into the trees back there. And then the next place you'll see her is through the gate to the left of the dog pen. So that's where you want to focus, which makes a good photo spot. Now here comes the team, and I hope those brakes are working, otherwise they're going to end up in the river. Yeah, okay, Tekla. Another nice run. Nicely done. Yes, we knew they'd be there. Those are friends of ours. We'd like for you to see him out here, while again emphasizing that point I was making about nothing going to waste. This is meat for food, hides for clothing and shelter in those ancient times. These are reindeer, but in all the ways that matter, they're virtually indistinguishable from their wild cousins, other than being a little smaller. They all get a nice thin dark brown coat for the summer, as you can see, and then in the winter they grow in a thick white coat, which provides them with the right camouflage for the right time of year.
Wolverine tipped with Timberwolf. And she would sew these on to show that her man was a skilled hunter and he caught that tricky Wolverine. Now she's going to show us the designs on the back. Skin sewing techniques and beadwork designs were passed down mother to daughter, generation after generation. Each family has their own original design, and if Danielle were to travel to a different village,
He's a loner. Disposable diaper, yes.
A couple weeks ago. I think Athabascan, yeah, Athabascan earrings. Yeah,
Because apparently.
of course.
All right, boss.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Oh, you're fine.
Will they stop tripping?
Where do the fish go into? There's a box.
Yeah.
A box, I think right there. They flip that over and then flip it out.
He's sitting up there on top, looking very USA-ish. Yeah, I just made that up.